Okay guys, I am back, and I have the canvas ready, and we're going to do a pour like I said yesterday with the orange and the baby blue and those colors, and we'll see what pops up. So I have the orange, only I didn't add the silicone, so we'll have to add some silicone. Because as you know, I do have to do the silicone for the cells because we don't have that really good Australian Floetrol and the other ingredients you need. So that's kind of funny that we don't. Maybe I'll look into it. Maybe I'll just see if we can get some over here. Okie dokie, we're ready. Now, there's going to be titanium in it, titanium buff. That's the beige color. Then we're going to add that little bit of orange. Then we're going to put in the baby blue. And these are colors straight out of the, you know, no mixed colors, just straight out of the tube. So they're all Winsor and Newton. Titanium buff. They only have one orange, I guess, so that's not that difficult. Then the baby blue, they only have one of those. And I'm just hoping it's going to work. If this is not going to work, which I can imagine, I'll be going back to my own video and looking for what I did then, which I didn't do now. So it's always good to have some reference videos. Okie dokie, I think we have enough. It's a 20 by 20. I think in the good old days I did a whole cup, but I'm not going to do a whole cup. So we're going to push and pull like we used to do, just like that. Now I'm going to torch because that's what I did then. I remember that. And then I tilted to make those cells bigger. Now there they go. See how big they're getting? So we could want to keep something in shape though. Oops. Don't let it totally go over the side. See how big we're stretching those cells? Here they're getting really translucent, showing the what's on underneath. And I'm really trying to keep them more in the cell form. So we'll have to tap to let it go over the edge a little here. Not too much because we still have some stretching to do. I think it would have helped if I had a little bit more paint. So let's add just a little bit. Just to make it easier to pull it down. Let's see if that works. Yeah, it's working. Going very slow, of course, but that's not a problem. Helping it along with my finger just a little bit. That's okay, that's cool. Now we have to go down this way, and I'm going to put some on here just to make it a little more smooth. Now let's see if it works. I really do like how big the cells are getting, but I think I just have a little bit. See how big these are, showing the colors underneath. I really like that. Don't like this too much though. And of course it's not exactly like the one I made a couple of years ago. So I'm gonna have to do something to fix this because I can't tilt anymore. I am not feeling that it's moving anymore. So And it's a distraction. Let's see if we can tap it. Oops. Okay, let's see if we can do that. Yeah, it's coming. So by tapping it, we did disrupt all the cells here. So that's something that, well, good thing I showed you so you don't do it. Because now the bigger cells are all just jumbled up. If you like it, you might like it like that. Who knows? But that's okay. You can do that. So we're going to do another one. I'm going to get another canvas. I'm going to clean up this little mess here, and we're going to do another one. I do have to get some paper that... Okay, I'm set up for the next pour. So we're going to add some more paint so I don't have to tilt too much. You do want to tilt some because that makes those cells grow a lot. But on the other hand, you don't want to tilt too much or have to tap the totally tap the table to make the paint stretch. So we're going to put that all in. I'm going to add a little white though. I think that really does the trick a little bit. A little bit more orange, a little bit more white, and the last one is that. Okay, there we are. So we're going to put it on top, turn it around, and we're going to push and pull. Now that's a lot of paint. I'm going to really do like that so that I really don't have to tilt it too much. Okay. That's about it. Now we're going to let it come down there. And I would like a lot of those blue cells. Let's go over. And now let it come down. That makes the blue, see how the blue now comes? Because I'm tilting it down here. And then the last one, last corner. And that's the difference more paint makes. So I do want to sort of tap it on the table, but I'm not going to. There you go. Next time I'm going to set up my turning table because I think turning it would have a little bubble in there. Little bubble. Go away. Okay. So that's it. So we got our blues. Blues down here, which is pretty nice. We have the bigger cells, not too big. I could torch this bit, but I don't think I will. I got all my stuff covered. Let's see if I can do that, because that's the only bit I really don't like. Yep, there it comes. See tiny little cells in it, makes the difference. So that's it. I think it worked out really fine. I love it. Love the colors. Now if you're going to recreate it, I'll put the colors I used. I think they have numbers, don't they? Winsor & Newton has numbers. I'll go and look. Wait a minute. Put that. Just going to work the sides a little. And then we're ready. That's it. Ready to go. We got the cells going over the sides, as you can see here, which I always like. So worked perfectly. Oops, got to put more paper on the floor. So guys, thanks for watching. Love you all to pieces. See you next week.